insurances are flooded with claims. So it's going to take sometimes a couple of weeks for them to send an adjuster on site. But it's your responsibility to take all damaged materials from the home and start getting all that wet stuff out so it doesn't start creating secondary damage that will not be covered under that. So that's very, very crucial for homeowners to be prepared in these cases, because I saw that with the last two hurricanes. People that were just waiting on response, even a reply for their insurance, and sit down and did nothing. Once we got to them, they had mold, and something that could have been a $5,000 project turned into a $20,000 remediation.
Yeah. And that's why, I mean, as much as I don't like the negative, I do want to make sure that we forewarn people so that they're prepared again, so they can have a yay in the day and it doesn't turn into a disaster, because that's kind of unfortunately what happens. And, you know, hindsight's 20/20, but we want to learn from other people's mistakes anytime we can, instead of having to make every one of the mistakes ourselves. So I want people to know more about how to reach you and your company.